How to fix the mouse is not working on your ASUS VivoBook. So if your touchpad or your mouse cursor is not working, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now the first step is you need to go in, open up your start menu, and then you can click on settings. Now from the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and devices, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on touchpad. Make sure the touchpad is turned on and enabled like this. Click on the drop down arrow and make sure leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected is checked like so. And if it's still not working, you can also try pressing the reset button. Now the next step is to open up your start menu once again, search for device manager and go and click on this window here. Now click on the drop down arrow next to human interface devices. You should be able to see your HID touchpad from the list. Now just go in, right click on this and press update driver. Press browse my computer for drivers and select let me pick from a list of available drivers. You then need to select the HID compliant touchpad and go and press next. You could then try restarting your laptop and check if that solves the issue. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and the touchpad or the mouse is still not working, the final solution is to go and press down the following keys on your keyboard. So we're going to hold down the FN key and also try pressing the F6 key at the same time. So let's do this together now. We're going to press FN and F6, and sometimes this enables and disables the touchpad. If this isn't working, you can also try using FN and F9 instead, and that's another key combination to enable and disable your touchpad. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.